guys, look at the view. Look at the here. Guys. Oh my god. There's a BTS, guys. So, oh my god. This is so beautiful, guys. This is my first time in the SM Mall. So wow, there's some so chinelas and Barbies, and then wow, look at the cinnamon roll. Look at the cinnamon roll, guys. Wow, it's good to me like this. So we are in here, guys. So oh my god, here, guys. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay, we're gonna go in here, guys. So here. Look at the other view, guys. Wow. Wait for the down. So we are in here now, guys. Ooh, look at the hats. Look at the water bottles, guys. It's here. Stop pushing me. So look at the wallets, bags, like wow. Too many. There's some makeup supplies or perfume, expensive perfume, right? Okay, so oh my god, hello. And then let's go to the Mickey Mouse. Wow, so many cuties. Wait. And then let's go to the other downs, guys. Wait for the down. Look at that, guys. So okay, we are here now. So wow, so many shoes. Oh my god, here. We're going here, guys. Wow, so many guys. Many shoes, boys' shoes. Okay. Wait, guys. Oh my god. So pretty. So pretty, guys. Wait just a minute. So look at the shoes, guys.
Dani.
There's some pink shoes.
Napili ka na dyan. Dili. Come here, Jaya.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Dito ni. I don't know, actor kan.
Wow, there's a skateboard, guys. Skateboard. So let me see what should I do. Guys.
Next size mo ka din?
I don't know.
Interview. Jaya, what do you feel about SM here?
I feel like so happy because it's my first time in this. This is my first time in SM, guys.
Yeah.
Let me try the shoes, guys. It's perfect, guys.
Perfect. Say perfect.
Perfect. Okay, so that is perfect, guys. That is perfect, guys. So that means hey. So hey. So welcome to my vlogs. Okay, look at the shoes. There's a skateboard, but what's... Hello, though. Welcome to my vlog too, though. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Okay. So, oh my god, guys. Oh my god. So,
What do you want, pink or that one?
I choose pink. It's my favorite color. So, let's sit down, guys.
She has a new
Shoes. Yeah, shoes.
jeans.
Yeah.
Oh, yan guys.
This one.
How do you feel
I feel like
getting a new shoes?
I feel like so like, you know it. Like, I feel so like expensive the shoes.
Saan ang sapatos mo?
Can you pick for me, guys? This one or this one, guys? Or this one? Or this one, guys? Pick for me. So I will pick this one. It's so like cute. It's fluffy. So let me pick this one, guys.
Why not that one? How much is that?
Please 200. Okay, let's try this unicorn from Sky.
Oh, this one. Pink.
This one? Okay. So let's... Perfect, guys.
Ayan. Didagdag ka lang ang size na.
Perfect.
Batet. Ayan. Pink panin, madi ah. Awan kutomon.
Madi, batik, mayat ito.
Awan box na ito.
Awan, anay mo. Go.
We picked that one, guys. That, wow. That, guys. So, huh?
Dabag mo?
I won't buy it.
Tapo, bagay ni
Straight mo. Hala ulan si Jay.
So we have bags here, and then okay. So this is my friend. Yeah, this is my cousin. She is a Villanueva family. I'm the Tolentino family, guys. Come with me, guys. Meow, meow, meow.
Ito moment ay ka-dream mo.
Wow, a Barbie one and the Hello Kitty. So I think let's go upstairs or not? Yeah, let's go upstairs. Yeah. Okay, let's
Right. You stand at the right if you are gonna
Mata ko ba?
Okay. Okay, so we are here in the top. So let's go. Right? We are going. What do I pick? Ah!
Here, hindi ito.
So this is our socks, and that is her. Wow, so many. Look at them there. So perfect. And look at that handsome. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so for today's video, we're in the new SM, guys. So, oh my god. It's my first time in new SM, guys. Oh my god. It's so perfect to be like this. And then, ta-da!
Go, sa ukan.
It's my first time in this SM, guys.
Paulit-ulit.
Shut up.
Gatoy.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go, everyone.
Ito, lemon.
Ow! Sorry.
Magitoy, magitoy.
I want a toy.
You have no money.
And so,
Dapat to.
Amo, madam.
Kan, muna ka. PG bag set. Yeah.
so,
Where ba?
Nato?
let's go, guys. So, let's go upstairs again.
Escalator.
Yeah, we are in the escalator again. So, look at the view in SM. Oh my god. Look at here. Ouch! There's a makeup supplies in there. So, ooh, wow, so perfect. So, we're here in the other top. Okay, what? What do you want, guys?
What do you want?
What?
No, JC, but bunny.
Let's come. Come here, guys.
Ayaw, dyan mo.
Let's go, guys. So, we need to go there, there are kids. So, there. We go to there. Oh, my God! That is so perfect, guys. Look at this, guys. AirPods and headsets. Wow, so pretty. Oh, there's a bag. Okay, we are in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a crop top.
Ada onay crop top mo. Crop top.
Wala pa ako.
Ito? Ano?
Let's sit down.
Kaya pagbado, natog na mapanagba. Pero no.
Come here, guys. Let's look like birds.
Ay, na.
Huh? Here, guys. Wow. Ooh.
Was log.
It's my dream. Ah, so nice. So nice. If you come here, you see everything.
Yeah. Picture beta na ko.
Wow! What? I want this one. So perfect for me, my school. So, okay, let's see. And the Barbie one, I want to buy them, but I have no money. You know that? Huh? Wait, guys. So, let's come. So, we need to use this. And then, so we need to use something cool. Like this. So, the perfect one.
May gata ni Batman ini. Laan.
Wow. job
Ayan
school ah.
na nalawang.
Does it
Saan
fit
may
you?
mayan?
Perfect.
Does it fit you?
Can I see?
Rampa.
Rampa, anak.
Mayan. Sakto mo. Do you want it?
No, no.
Ayan mo na saan?
Kahit mo na saan?
Yes or no?
Ano, yes na lang? Napipilitan?
Yes, I said yes.
Frozen. Frozen.
Alam, sausaw ka na.
Frozen ito. Ano, ito eh? Ano ka mahilig dito? Auntie?
Umakay ka ron.
Let's go. I like this big.
Dahit buok mo. Puro perfect pretty ka ng net.
Pretty, beautiful, gorgeous. Nah.
Nagsinap nga ro din?
Ne.
Sinap nga rin na.
Baka itakat mo. Upload na ba ito? Barbie meet dedicat.
Little miss. Okay. So wow. Perfect.
Perfect naman.
Yeah.
I like it.
Gorgeous. So gorgeous.
Ate, dedilat na.
Hi, friend.
Ano din?
I'm just kidding.
Dedikin na pieces.
So cold. Look at me. Yes.
Ano anak ka?
Look at
Agram pa ka.
Uy, girl!
Sunod yung baga.
Padpada tanong ko, stop.
Okay lang, damit t-shirt niya, malay doon.
Uy, na
You want one?
Kaya ito.
I don't know.
Ibaga mo kaya.
Yes or no? Yes. Padpada ta.
Size 8 yun.
Short.
Yan ano, labo.
Nela bubo. Ayan.
Ha? Color.
Sit lang.
Ang size na.
I think batit.
Size 4.
That's so cold.
Saka crop top dito.
Bitin.
Size ano ito? Natin meron din.
Bag activity.
I want a makeup supply.
You already have makeup supplies. Oh, bingka tayo lang. You're still a kid.
Come on, Jadea!
You're still a kid. You don't need that.
You love me. Wait, wait. Be careful.
Some real characters.
Daffy.
Okay na to. Ano? Rampa.
This is okay.
Agrampa ka.
May handa ka.
Jaya Rampa. Hey, do you feel satisfied? Jaya? Do you feel satisfied? Hey, pakita mo. Pink.
Manin. Ganda size na ito. What size is that?
Harap tropang eh. Dita bulldog. Pakpak naman makaubin niya. You don't need that. You're still a kid. Jaya, come here. Come here, Jaya.
Yes. Kids wear.
May kanina ito eh.
What is size?
Wrong ground.
Yeah, dito partner na dito. Pants na.
Men?
Yan. What is that?
Go everyone.
Tor, Jaya. You have no money.
Hindi tas may outfit. Ay, basta
Tor
lang
gamit
outfit na yung naka...
Jaya.
Baka man shopping kita ka ng alba.
Taas.
Jaya. Come here. Hey, you're already a big girl. You don't need toys. Ne, amok chest. You don't need those. No, it's expensive. You have no money? No. Come here. Blowing na. Sigawan may tag-blog. Naban.
Let's go, guys.
Kastoy. Videographer.
Max.
Yeah, come on.
Oh my god.
Kita dito. Kan.
Say hi. Why you sad? No toy? Aww. Jaya. Makan kita. Awan toys namin.
Happy
Ito.
Rice ka?
Sweet lang.
Bagamayan mo. Bagamayan mo.
Coffee daw.
Pangalan to?
Zark.
Naman, order ka yun.
What's yours? Rice on the burger.
Rice like lang. What is this?
Chicken. Chicken also. Chicken. Did you get burger steak? Ano, baka kahit may burger steak.
Spicy ito.
Spicy.
Okay, I should.
Nakaman?
Deep fried chicken.
Ano, dapat na next.
Pwede na itong sauce. Ang mukha yung gatoy. Same net lang.
What is this?
Steak. I like that. Dito yung steak.
What about, how much is this?
Ika.
Can I have
Dark.
some? Ah, hot dogs!
Classic.
Na burger? Not
What's
rice?
this? I like hot dog. I think.
Haan man mabigit mo. I met you.
Okay. So, can I pick this one?
Okay, dito mo di pa kubi.
Ay! Sorry, sorry.
Ako. At ano ka naman ito? Ito dito.
So, let's ano this one, guys. Let's solve it.
Not flavor. Dito yung target niya kung target parang
I'm so sorry, guys.
Ay, sige. Ang kasi naman kami.
I'm so sorry. Waiter!
Binig.
So, look at that beanie, guys.
Jumit na mo. Diyan mo. Pasit.
This is a ketchup? Is this a ketchup?
Red.
Yeah.
Plus,
sure. Ay, dito. Ay, dito eh. Ay, dito sa batos.
Ay, pan. Ay, pan. Ngayon dito sa pan.
Dito.
Pan. Dito yung kete chinela.
Dito ba yung dito?
Vitamin.
Isa, diyaw-diyaw.
Ay.
this is a spicy. This is spicy, guys.
Nasa buffalo wings with rice.
Buffalo wings with rice. Meal solo yun.
Meal.
Rice or nachos.
Rice.
Rice.
Flavor ng fries.
Cheese. May flavor ng salt.
Drinks po, lemonade or iced tea. Flavor ng wings.
Garlic powder.
Tapos isang deep fried chicken.
1 piece or 2 pieces?
1 piece lang.
Sorry?
1 piece.
Meal na rin yun. Fries or nachos?
Fries.
Fries po.
Yeah.
Flavor ng fries.
Rice.
Anong flavor ng fries mo? Cheese? Cheese.
Drinks, lemonade or iced tea.
Iced tea o lemonade? Iced tea.
Anything else?
May nga classic na dark.
Zerk's Classic po. Meal na rin yung solo.
Meal.
Fries nachos.
Sorry. Fries.
Flavor.
Plain lang.
Drinks, lemonade or iced tea. Iced tea. Anything else?
Tapos, masang chicken sandwich.
Sandwich po. Flavor ng sandwich.
Let's go now.
Let's go, guys. Let's go pee.
Okay. Siak videographer. Sigal akit ito mobile vlog.
So we need to. So let's wash our hands.
Wait, nabasa.
Wash our hands, guys. Wash our hands. So let's get some soap over here.
Jaya, tissue. Tissue. Nado, Oops. Saan ito pinagpunas mo?
This.
Check ulit, awit lang. Where are we going?
Let's go to the restaurant.
Which?
In the city.
Search. Hey.
Nah.
Jake, mama.
I'm just kidding.
Where are we going next?
Havianis.
Huh?
Havianis. Go, guys.
Bagamat na, this is the
Havianis.
yeah, Pause.
One, two. Mami dad.
Shit. Nagalisto ka magmag na. Kakaasin. Kabayanas! Ready? Wait lang. Where are we?
And the Havianas come outside.
Hindi, data oh. That's enough. That's enough. Let's go inside. Tralalero, tralala. Purple. Hindi na, vlog kami tinag sa usa usa. Sa usa usa na.
Come with me guys. Let's take a picnic. Come here.
Kakaasi na di videographer mo. Oh, yang ko madayo. Gia. Oy, bastos. Lang. Ay, kasta. Kajan. 6. Wala, 6. Wait. Stay there. Sayang, Jack na ala. Punta ka na eh. Oh, pick.
Nakita ka pag naam-aating.
Na 18 old.
A few moments later.
English.
We just finished eating, guys. So let's come with me, guys. Okay, let's hold this, guys.
Where are we going?
To the Haivan.
Run inside. Go.
So let's go, guys.
Enough.
Go, guys.
May take ka naman itong bigat.
No. Maka-play yan.
So let's go, guys.
Tani. Gia. Tapilat ta.
Kapalat yun.
Di tapil lang. Di taubing. Go.
Ready na class.
Awan kutsara.
Pamunik kas-kasin.
Ito, pig. Sige,
Dua.
Hello. What? No, it's easy. Ibaling mo dito, ibaling. Italat tayo sa ayun. Very good.
Umipon po na sa tabado.
Narugit na. Ano? Ulit. Yes. No, don't. Time. No! Don't eat. Lang. Good game. Hello. Banog. I lost. How about you?
I win.
I won, Guram. Hana, I win.
I won.
No, I won. Ay. Gia.
Nag-race ka?
Ano race?
Race.
Kasan mo race?
Eh.
Mamin ano?
Mamin 5.
Banog ka nga ubing.
babalin na papundutin ko yan sang ka ba sila.
Masya ka ron. Ito nga, wait lang. Makigaga, ayaw man. Go play with them. Oh my goodness. Hagsana ka. Dali, dali. Full song full dance. Full song, ay full dance. Ikak nukat sound na. Go! Ako nga, darong. Model kan? Model.
Wait lang.
Share picture. Bye-bye.
Sakap na rin na ito.
Bye na ba no?
Aman.
Happier. High five. Good.
Ganito ko, Kurach. At kabalo.
Gagaan ka rin.
So good.
Play with her.
Peace bomb.
Hindi siya gusto lagi. Hindi siya. Jaya. Let's play tag. No. Ay, sino ba? Do you wanna play tag? How's life? Oh. Yeah, how's life?
No, I don't like that. I'm so very, you know,
Tired.
tired. Yeah, tired.
Escalator.
Yeah, escalator. I forgot it.
So na
I'm very tired for the kids. Except for I don't like the girl in the kayak. And then come with us guys. I don't know where are we going. So just come.
No, we just come. Just follow me.
Yeah, just come. Yeah.
Ano, alam niyo raw, dito ba ito? Kuya ako.
We're going at the rooftop.
We're going to the rooftop.
Because there is nagwigat.
We are going to I like ice cream. Huh?
Yogurt din.
Frozen. Matatay.
Yogurt dito. Some eat.
Okay lang.
That picture done. Look at her. Nice. Nice. How do you feel?
So we are at the top. This is the third floor, I think.
Rooftop.
Let's find our. We're gonna find our car. Don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel.
Like
Yeah.
and subscribe lang. Oh,
Yeah.
follow.
Like and
Don't
So-
go.
don't forget to like and subscribe
To my
this
channel.
To my channel. To my channel. Yeah, to my channel. Thank you for your day and just
Go.
thank you. Thank you for
Big shop.
Thank you for watching this channel and please subscribe and like and subscribe this channel please. Thank you very much.